You found the creators who get your brand. The content is good, the results are there. Now imagine that never stops. Managing an always-on creator program can be chaos. Tracking deliverables, chasing approvals, processing payments, sending the product, it all adds up fast. Now, there's a better way, and it lives inside Popfly. Introducing Evergreens, Popfly's always-on creator network. Set it up once and let it run. Getting started takes just a few minutes. You drop in your budget, you set your goals, and Evergreens builds your program structure for you automatically. The program runs on branches, tiered levels with different requirements and payout. Creators start at the entry level. They hit their goal consistently, they move up automatically. They earn more and stay invested in your brand long term. You define exactly what you need. A TikTok post, a UGC asset, affiliate sales, whatever fits your goal. Set a base payout and add a bonus threshold for the overperformers. Payouts and gift processes all happen in one click. Evergreen creates a program that runs on a monthly invoice that reflects exactly what you got delivered. Over time, your Evergreen becomes something powerful. Creators level up, they earn more, and keep showing up. You get a consistent stream of content, a growing network of advocates, and a program that compounds, all without adding to your workload. And because the best brand creator relationships are built to last, for every brand that launches an Evergreen, Popfly plants a real one. Plant the seed and watch it grow.